Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about creating a new Microsoft 365 tenant. Let's say you want to create a new tenant, you don't know how to go about it. Today you will be learning about it. So what's Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is a cloud-powered productivity platform that offers a suite of powerful tools and services. These services include productivity applications, which encompasses of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, um, and also in summary, it combines essential apps, cloud services, and robust security features in one comprehensive package. All right, so how do you go about doing this? This we will show you here. But before we go to dive in more, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like our videos so you'll be able to get more detailed videos in the future. Okay, so let's begin. um, for you to start with Microsoft 365 app, you go to office.com. Once you go to office.com, you see the option to sign in. That's if you have an account before or get Microsoft 365. So you click on get Microsoft 365. Once you click on that, this is for people who has never had a Microsoft 365 tenant organizations. So you see different subscription status. Here you will see for home and you see for business. For home is for personal use, for business is for business use. So we have different subscriptions under people who would like to subscribe for home. So we have Microsoft 365 Business Basic, 365 Business Standard, 365 Business Premium, 365 Apps for Business. We also have the Enterprise Editions also. And these are their prices right below. Now, I do not want to buy yet. What I want to do is to try 1 month free trial. Okay, so it gives me the opportunity to be able to use those features, use this product, and see if it's something that I really want to pay for. Okay, so Microsoft actually gives you the option to do that. So what do we do next? Microsoft 365 Business Standards cost $12.5 for a user per month. Okay, so we click on the try free for 1 month. Okay, so once you click on that, it takes you to where you begin your registration. Okay, so it brings you here. Okay, try try free for 1 month. Okay, so it's asking how many people within the organization would you like to purchase this product for. Okay, so by default one is there. Okay, let's say for me who has about 5 people within my organization, I click on 5 and I go to next. Here I will be able to click in to type in my own personal email address. Okay, so this email address enables notifications to be sent from Microsoft. Okay, so here I click on from here I click on set up account, which is the next thing to do. So you see, it sees that there is no account created in that email, so it needs to create a new one for me. So here I input all of my details. Okay, as the admin of the organization, I input all of my details in here, put in my job title, my business phone number, everything that is very important that they will be needing. I input it in one after the other. Okay, so company name is text space, company size I also pick that. Okay, since I have between 1 to 5, so I click on 5 to 9. Okay, so also for okay, so now this is for as much it takes as much as more people that you'd want within the organization. Okay, so make sure your country is where you're actually opening this tenant from, and make sure the country you're opening the tenant from tallies with where you're paying from. It's very important. Let's say you're paying with from a Nigerian bank. Let the tenant be opened in Nigeria. Okay, let it let its location be Nigeria, and let's say you're opening in the UK. Let the country and region be UK. Okay, simply because the payment method and the region has to tally, so there won't be a conflict. Then I click on next. Okay, so when I click on next, it checks for security checks, which is very, very mandatory. So what does it do? I input my phone number that I inputted before, and it sends me a verification code via text message. Okay, so I have two options. either via text message or it calls me. Okay, so here I picked I should be called. Okay, so now it sends the verification code to me. Okay, now let's click on send verification code. Now I just clicked on send verification code and the code has been sent. So we have 714552 and I click on verify. Okay. Now it verifies that I'm the one. Okay. And what does it do next? I can edit this user email address, preferably. This email address is always by default the admin email address. Okay, so I could just by preference I could just make it admin at techspace.onmicrosoft.com. Okay, so this is the initial domain dot on microsoft.com. So I pick a domain name that is readily available, okay, that has not been picked by people. I set the password and I click on next. Okay, now it's creating the account for me, and it requires you not to refresh the page so everything gets fully propagated. Okay. Now this is done, and the next thing it is asking for is okay. So you can see the quantity, 5 people. All right. So add payment method. This is where you need to add your bank payment, whichever way you want to pay through. Mostly credit cards. Okay. So the credit card has to be Visa, Mastercard, or American Express. Okay. Please note it has to be a dollar card, okay, an internationally acceptable one. So I am not opening an account right now because I have a tenant, an existing tenant, so I will not be filling in any bank card here, okay. So I will just leave this place blank. But once you put in your details, it's all gone, okay. Now for you to sign in, you go to Microsoft office.com right here and click on that sign in option. Okay, so once you click on that sign in option, it brings you here. Okay, now you have your account fully opened. Okay, you can see this is the portal itself, and you have different options. You see my content, create, feed. Now this is the app launcher. Now the app launcher takes you to different places within the organization. Okay, so we'll have, if you want to use Microsoft Outlook, you use it, OneDrive, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Exchange, Engage, and so many, PowerPoint, Power Automate, Admin Center. Okay, so also Microsoft Forms, and this is more apps. Okay, once you click on it, you get to see many other products within the subscription that you've just purchased. Okay, now what about in a situation whereby you do not want to use the web applications, you want to use the desktop applications? Here you click on install and more. Okay, now once you click on this, you will be able to select the install Microsoft applications, and hitting this button will definitely download the Microsoft desktop application to your computer. Okay, now I have that already and I wouldn't want to go through that. So I want to go to the Microsoft Admin Center. So I click on Admin Center. Okay, so now this takes me to Microsoft Admin Center. Here I am able to do certain configurations, not just certain, many configurations. At my end, I'm able to create users. I'm able to do whatever it is that I want, provided that I have the admin right to do these things. Okay, so you can see so many options. You can, from time to time, just try your hands around it to see what each features is for. You can see home, you can see users, you can see teams and groups, you can see marketplace, billing, everything that you want to do is right here. Okay, so Microsoft 365 is a great product that helps your organization to achieve its goals. Okay, makes collaboration easy and just top notch. Okay, fully secured. Your data is secured with nobody getting access. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.